What's up, YouTube? So I thought today we try something, well, tonight, here, we'll try something kind of fun. I'm in Virginia now. I just moved from California, where they also have front license plate laws, but they're a lot more lenient. Virginia, they don't mess around, cops, that is. They will pull you over. So I need to somehow get a front plate on my Corvette, and it looks stupid with the factory mount. So I'm going to try to make something a little better. But first, let's do a quick mail time. Alrighty, first time doing a mail time on this channel. Pretty exciting. Let's see what we got. And not a thing. Alright, moving on. Alright, so looking at the front of the car here, it looks so much better with nothing on there. But my car is already illegal with super illegal dark tint, no front plate, and the rear of my taillights are blacked out. So I don't need any more reasons to get pulled over, so I at least want to get a front plate on the front. And the front, where it's supposed to mount, it's right there, and it looks really goofy. But I was thinking what I'll do is I'll mount it over here, kind of wrapped around here, this guy, like that. And with a series of magnets on both sides. So follow along and let's see if we can make this happen. Alright, so the first thing I did, I contoured the plate. It's really malleable to around the bumper, so it fits nice and flush. It'll be different for every car, but the Corvette seems pretty straightforward. Just take your time, nice little curve on that guy. And what I'm going to do is, I got 12 of these guys, these magnets. I'm going to do 6 on here. I'm going to use some JB Weld, and then once this is cured tomorrow morning, I'll go behind the bumper and do the other 6 behind there. So I'll go ahead and get these fastened in a nice uniform manner around these. Yeah, let's do it. Alright, so I got that curing. I'll come back to that tomorrow. So tomorrow what's going to happen is, to access behind here, I'm going to tape up the plate right there, and then go in behind here, take these guys out, probably the wheel off too, and best I can, mount the magnets behind the front fascia, and I hope it'll have a good hold. We'll see. I think so. I might have to put some kind of tape over the magnets in the front so I don't scratch the paint, but I think it'll work. We'll find out. Alright, and just like that, it's the next day. Got my wheel off here, and I think I can access it underneath here. There's 2 little cavities. I can fit my hand up there and do that like that. Plate's ready to go, so I'm going to go ahead and secure it with some tape up there in the bumper. And then I'll fasten the magnets behind it and get those fixed to the front bumper. Let's do it. And also, up inside, it's really filthy. And for best contact, I'm going to go ahead and clean it up really good. Some glass cleaner. It should help adhesion for the magnets. Alright, so I got it taped up where I want it, nice and level. And the magnets are affixed on the other side, just by its own magnetic force. And I'm going to go ahead and JB Weld those guys in place behind it. I feel like there's a really good hold so far. If need be, I'll grab a couple more magnets, but I think we're going to be okay. Let's press on. Alright, I got the magnets underneath, curing with some JB Weld, and since the wheel's off, I like to go ahead and give it a deep clean while I'm here, so just give me 1 second. Much better. I can sleep now. Looks good. Alright, let's check out our magnets. Alright, here we go. Magnets are in place behind it. Let's see how it does. Pretty good hold, feels pretty good. Good contact. Alright. This guy right here, it's a piece of shit, but it's rated at 55 mile an hour wind. Let's see if it can withstand that. Cool, feel pretty good about that. But I am going to go ahead and add probably 3 more just to give myself a nice little warm fuzzy. It doesn't fly off the interstate somewhere. So this is a good thing to do if you go to car shows. You don't want it on, you can quickly just take it off, throw it in your back seat or whatever. Washing your car, also just take it off, clean around it. Or if you're traveling somewhere that doesn't require it, boom, just take it off, you're done. I think it looks a lot cleaner, a lot better. I am going to add probably some little, something like felt behind magnets so it doesn't scratch the paint. I'll do that probably tomorrow. So, thanks for watching, guys.